difficult time, and really this expresses the only hope that I ever have of immortality, I guess you could say. So Mallory's going to sing lead and Scott is going to play some wonderful electric guitar on my song, which is called After the Rains.
Shakes his feathers dry after the rains are gone. It makes his home in the wide blue sky after the rains are gone. Colors fading to a maze or open to the gentle rays of the day to come. After the rains are gone, after the rains are gone, and we will see with clearer sight after the rains are gone. And when the rain dries on our cheeks to leave us on the mountain peak, and we will hear our visions speak. The morning bird will sing again, though the night was long. And if no trace of us remains, just say we walked in love's domain. This will be our song after the rains are gone. Shakes her feathers dry after the rains are gone, and makes her home in the wide blue sky after the rains are gone. After the rains are gone.
Enough from Tumble.